What is the difference between a laundry machine, a dry cleaning machine, and a dryer? Hello out there. Welcome to Harry Mark Ventures, the number one home of industrial machines. We are located at number 82 Allen Avenue. So today I'm going to be talking about the difference between a washing machine, a dry cleaning machine, and a dryer. So the basic difference between a washing machine and a dry cleaning machine is that the washing machine makes use of water and softener, while the dry cleaning machine makes use of solvent, otherwise known as a PEG. Then the dryer machine is a machine that serves as a dryer. It actually dries your clothes for you. So the basic difference between let me restate my point again. The difference between a washing machine and a dry cleaning machine is that the washing machine makes use of water and softener, while the dry cleaning machine makes use of solvent. So I'm going to be telling you more. I'm going to be giving you more benefits of a dry cleaning machine, and I'm also going to give you benefits of washing machine. So it all depends on you. It all depends on what you want to achieve. You want to go for a dry cleaning machine, you want to go for a laundry machine. It all depends on your objective. It depends on the type of clothes, it depends on what you want to achieve, and it also depends on your budget. So first of all, I want to highlight the benefit of dry cleaning machine, or the benefit of dry cleaning. So one of the benefits of dry cleaning is that it cleans the garments and other fabrics without any deformation or shrinkage to your materials. So when it comes to dry cleaning, when you insert your clothes in a dry cleaning machine, it comes out like it preserves your fabric. It cleans out the dirt from your fabric, and it doesn't shrink or deform your fabric. So that's one of the advantage of dry cleaning. Then another advantage of dry cleaning is that it protects the fabric from wrinkle. Yes, when you insert your clothes inside a dry cleaning machine, it cleans the clothes without um leaving wrinkles on your clothes. So another advantage or another benefit of dry cleaning is that it protects the original color and texture of the fabric of all kinds. Yes, you all know that sometimes you have certain clothes whereby you take to the laundry, after washing, you find out that the quality of the cloth has kind of reduced. Maybe the color, maybe it was after washing, you find out that the cloth is kind of faded. If it was a black shirt, before you know, it's kind of getting faded. If it's a red cloth, it's kind of getting faded. So when you use dry cleaning, when that cloth is clean with a dry cleaning machine, it preserves that color, that original color, and the texture of your fabric. Another benefit of dry cleaning is that it increases the life of your clothes. Yes, when your clothes are being cleaned by a dry cleaning machine, it preserves the life of your clothes, because constant washing of your clothes, stretching of the clothes by hands or by the machine, kind of make your clothes to wear out easily. So another benefit of dry cleaning is that it removes oily and greasy stains more effectively. Yes, you know the dry cleaning machine uses solvents, a PEG, to remove dirt from your clothes. So that PEG or that solvent does the job perfectly. So now I'm going to be we're done with the benefit of dry cleaning. I want to talk about the benefit of washing machine. So one of the benefits of washing machine is that it cleans the deepest stains on your garments. Yes, after putting on your clothes, when you go to the office in your long sleeves, you understand, at the end of the day, so much sweat in the collar, in the cuffs, in your armpits, and all of that. So, for you to achieve maximum results in cleaning your clothes, the washing machine is going to do a perfect job for you. It's going to clean the deepest stains in your garments. Every hem of your garment is going to make sure it cleanses it. Now, another benefit of the washing machine is that freshly washed clothes usually have a fragrance of freshness. Yes, you all know when you wash your clothes, by the time you get back your clothes, there is this sense of freshness that comes with your clothes. Now, another benefit of washing machine is that washed clothes remain odor and chemical free. Yes, when you wash your clothes, let's say at the end of the day, you wore a particular dress to maybe your office or to an event, and then by the time you get back, sweat and so many other things will make the clothes kind of smelling and all. So by the time you wash your clothes when they using the washing machine, that it becomes odor free. Like all of that smell from the armpit, from every corner of your clothes is kind of gone, because of thorough washing that is being done. So and then another benefit of washing machine is that the cleaning material used in washing machine helps removing grease and dirt and dirty stains by working evenly on the entire fabric. So the materials that are being used in washing machine, that's like the softener, in the absence of the softener when you make use of detergent and the rest, like they kind of remove every dirt from your clothes, from stains to whatever, it removes that. And then another benefit of the washing machine is that it is not harmful for the environment as well as your skin. Yes, so the washing machine, there are so many speculations out there like it causes cancer, machines they cause cancer, all of that. But that's not the case with the washing machine. So it is not harmful and it is environmentally free and it doesn't cause any harm to your skin. So now I've given you the difference. I've given you the benefit of the dry cleaning machine and also the benefit of the washing machine. So now, what is the difference? As I stated earlier on, I said the major difference between these machines is that the washing machine makes use of water and softener, while the dry cleaning machine makes use of solvent or PEG, and then the dryer, as we all know, it dries your clothes. So, what are the major difference? The major differences between a dry cleaning and a washing machine. So these are some of the differences between a dry cleaning and a washing machine. Now, number one is dry cleaning retains the shape, the size, the colors of your fabric like curtains, rugs, while laundry machine can't retain these features. Yes, we all know if you have certain clothes that are certain clothes like the cotton, your rugs, and certain fabrics that you want to maintain the shape. There are certain clothes that when you wash them, they tend to lose their size, they tend to lose their shape, they tend to lose their color, and that can be achieved when you use a washing machine. But if you want to retain the shape, you want to retain the color, you want to retain the texture of your fabric, what you should go for is the dry cleaning machine. Now, another difference between the cleaning and laundry machine is that it can be a bit costlier to clean clothes dry than laundry cleaning due to the cost of solvent used instead of water. Yes, so as this point is stating right here, it can be a bit costlier to clean clothes dry than laundry cleaning due to the cost of solvent used instead of water. So dry cleaning is that difference is dry clean clothes do not have fragrance or freshness like a laundered cloth. So when you dry clean your clothes, like that sense of newness is kind of lost. But when your clothes are being washed in the laundry machine, you tend to have that fragrance or freshness in your clothes. Now, that difference between both is clothes washed in washing machine can be more dirt free than dry clean clothes if they are properly rinsed in water. So we have it here. Clothes that are washed in a washing machine are dirt free because when washing your clothes using the washing machine together with the softener that is in it kind of penetrate every nook and cranny of your garment from your cuffs, your collar, your armpit, and every part of the cloth. Like it kind of penetrates, it washes it thoroughly, but you can't achieve that thoroughness with the dry cleaning machine. So you can take note of that. Another difference is that you can clean all types of clothes and fabric by cleaning them dry, but laundry cleaning has some restriction. Yes, you can clean virtually everything with dry cleaning machine. Your t-shirt, your long sleeves, your suits, your curtains, your rugs, everything, virtually everything, you can clean it with the dry cleaning machine. But you can't achieve all of this with the laundry machine because of the restriction of loss of color, loss of texture, loss of size, loss of shape, and all of that. So basically, these are some of the differences between the washing machine and the dry cleaning machine. Now, at Harimark Ventures, you all know Harimark Ventures is the number one home of industrial machines. At Harimark Ventures, we sell industrial machines, and we don't only sell these machines. We install these machines, and there's a 1 year warranty if this installation is done by our team of technical experts. So if you purchase a machine from us and you want our technical team to be in charge of the installation, you are entitled to 1 year warranty. Yes, we heard you right. and we offer delivery service across the country. If you want your product to be delivered to any part of the country at all, we can get that delivered to you as well. And not only that, we also have spare parts. So in case any part of your machine becomes faulty in the future, like you can always reach out to us. We have different parts, spare parts, and you all know, like in Lagos, we're not bragging or anything, but like we know what we sell, we know what we're into. Like you can't get any of our product elsewhere except probably a previous customer who bought before and then decided to sell to a third party. Like we are authentic. So I'm going to take you to the showroom, and then I'm going to be showing you some of this um, laundry machine, and I'm going to show you everything that you need to, all the necessary machines that you need, all the necessary equipment that you need to start up a laundry business. So see you in the showroom. Are you thinking of going into a laundry business and you're kind of stuck? You probably don't know the right machines or the equipment needed for this business. Don't worry, Harry Mark Ventures got you covered. Hello out there, I'm in the showroom, and today I'm going to be showing you all the equipment you need for your laundry business. However, this video is going to be divided into two. This is going to be like the first segment in which I'm going to cover laundry machines, and I'm going to show you some dryers that we have in the showroom. Then the subsequent video, I'm going to be talking about finishing and pressing and finishing of your clothes. So right now, you probably have some bucks, you have some millions in your accounts, and you're kind of thinking, what business should I go into? And maybe this idea of you've been nursing the idea of going into a laundry business. Well, you're in the right place, and Harry Mark Ventures got you covered. So I'm in the showroom right now, and we have so many machines, we have so many equipment for the laundry business. So one of the equipment that you need for your laundry business is a trolley. A trolley comes, we have two types of trolleys. We have the aluminum trolley. This is one of them right here. An aluminum trolley. You can see it has, you can see how the foot is. It can be easily pushed from one location to the other. So you don't need to like put effort like dragging it here and there. This style will make the whole stuff easy for you. So this is the aluminum trolley, and this is another one there again, both the same size. And then we also have the plastic trolley as well. So now you might be wondering what's the difference between the aluminum trolley and the plastic trolley. Now, one of the major difference between the aluminum trolley and the plastic trolley is that the plastic trolley is used for sorting of clothes. Let's say you want to go and pick clothes from your customers or from your hotel room or from one location to the other to your machines. You can make use of the plastic trolley. Then the aluminum trolley is used to, when you, it is used after washing. So let's say you've done your laundry and you want to move your clothes from point A to point B. That's your wet clothes. You understand? You make use of this um, aluminum trolley. So, however, they serve other purposes as well. So, one of the equipment, one of the machines you need if you want to go into a laundry business is the trolley. The trolley is going to serve its purpose of movement, both dry and wet clothes. And as I said, the aluminum trolley is used to transport or to transit wet clothes, while the plastic one is used to transit dry clothes as well. So right here we have so many industrial washing machine. We have this is the advanced speed washing machine. Come closer with the camera and let me show you how it works. So when you get the trolley, either the you will probably need the two, the aluminium and then the plastic. Then you need a washing machine. We have so many washing machine right here. I want you to like this an advanced speed washing machine, and this is 15 kg. This is another washing machine. This is from Imensa. Show them the design. So let's see. And this is another washing machine. This is 15 kg and it is advanced speed as well. And then here's another washing machine. This is from Imensa. This is for Imensa and it is yeah, this is for Imensa. Come with me. And this is the 20 kg advanced speed washing machine. And then we have so many other washing machine right there. So come close, let me show you. So let's say this machine right here can accommodate up to 4 to 6 duvets. So you can see how it is. So this is where you load your clothes. You understand? And this machine, it is a three-phase machine. Basically, all our machines at Arimac Ventures are three-phase machines. Ask your technical team; they will tell you what three-phase is. So, this is how it is. You load your clothes in this place, and then close the machine. Then this up here, bring the camera closer. This place right here is for your softener. You can use your softener here or your bleach, and then your detergent for your first wash. And then here you can put your softener or your detergent for your second wash. So that's how it works. So this is the washing machine. You will need this for your laundry business. So apart from the washing machine, we also have other machines as well. So let's say your customers bring clothes to your workplace for washing, you sort them out with the trolley, and then you push them to where the washing machine is. You sort the clothes out, you understand, you put your clothes in it, close it, you understand, your softener, your bleach, or whatever, you control the machine, you understand, power it on and all of that stuff. Then when the laundry is done, you want to sort out the clothes probably to the dryer, because this is a dryer. We have a dryer, this is a dryer, and it is this is Immensa, it's a dryer machine, and this is also another one, a dryer machine. This is 25 kg, a 25 kg dryer machine. So when you're done with the laundry, then you make use of the aluminium trolley to sort out the clothes, and then you take it to the dryer for it to do the drying process for you. So as you can see, this is we have other machines. These are like finishing machines that we have in in the showroom as well. So I also want to talk about another machine that is very very important. This is called the extractor, advanced speed hydro extractor, and this is 25 kV, 25 kg. So what is the function of the hydro extractor? So let's say you have some clothes that you want to starch. Uh, you have your agbada, your bariga, your shobi, and all of that stuff. You starch it. You understand? Like this machine can do the job perfectly for you. So this is going to spin. It's going to spin your clothes for you. It's going to make sure it extract all the liquid, you understand, and make sure your clothes are well starched. And at the same time, it's going to spin the clothes for you. So basically, that's the job of this machine, and it does other jobs as well. So basically, that's the hydro speed, advanced speed hydro extractor. So basically.